What we getting here, Justin?
Tax fraud.
Tax fraud and Harbor Freight is crazy. All right, we are back in the garage. Today we are going to be deleting the red pinstripe tape all around the car. Just wanted to change up the look. If I ever wanted to go back and add it back on, I could just always buy red tape. But yeah, I just kind of want to see how it looks like without it. Justin's pulling off the final pieces. You literally just start from the edge and just work your way back. But low key,
Looks more mature without it.
yeah, and it makes the diffuser
Like a little bigger.
yeah, like thicker.
Got a
Interesting.
base model Civic now.
Good.
Great.
That's what I want. Here it is, without the red stripes. Go to this side. So we are actually gonna be also installing these Mugen rear spats for the diffuser, and I can show you guys that real quick. So here it is. This is basically gonna go right here, right over. Some people call this the Thanos chin. All right, I'm gonna jack the car up and we're gonna get to this install. So me and Justin are gonna be taking out these 3 tabs. The one at the very edge here, this one, and that one.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna have Timmy hold this as flush as he can and as like perfect fitting as he can so I can drill holes into the OEM diffuser. And I'm gonna use like normal nuts and bolts into the diffuser because once you remove that, like those tabs, it gives you room under here to reach over it and then just put the nut on top or vice versa.
So right now, Justin's currently drilling into the OEM diffuser. All right, this is how the left side looks. What do you guys think? Give it some more flair. Now I look like every other Type R owner.
Type R starter pack.
Drilling out the hole, make it a little bit bigger. Grab your bolt. So putting the nut on top.
Just like that.
Yeah, like that. All right, here's the finished product. I'm gonna have Justin pull the car out and we're gonna go take some pictures and cinematics and all that good stuff. Yo, I forgot I put the wheel chock in the front. Lucky. Low key, I wasn't a fan of the Thanos chin, but I think with the wide body, it definitely gives the rear more flair. Like honestly, it looks super clean and nice now. I'm a fan. I don't have that side piece though, because the previous owner who gave it to me didn't come with it, so until I can possibly get that piece, it's just gonna look like this for now, which, I mean, it doesn't look too bad. All right, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to your boy to not miss out on any future content. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.